Welcome to the Knowledge Series. Here I am with another interesting topic on age. Don't forget to subscribe. Every individual like to see that they always appear young as the age keep on building, because age is not a recycle, rather it is just a moving number. So those who look younger than their age usually shows less sign of aging, and they present themselves as younger. There are many facts behind the growing of age and their appearance also, but we normally ignore the reality behind it. So let's see those facts. These are the facts that let the people get older than their actual age. Still, there are some more hidden facts are available. One of the natural reasons for getting the person older than the actual age is genetic. This is not in our control. If one examine the group of people, you will know that the genetic background cause the younger people to appear older and older people to appear still younger. Say 20 years old may appear as 40, and age of 60 years may appear as 30. So this is the cause of genetic. The another cause is overexposure. That means the people who is not overexposed to outside environment or sun radiations, the skin will not get too much rapture, and the sagging of the skin will be under control. So this is the next fact of aging. And also, one of the intrinsic aging or the internal aging is the natural phenomena of skin rupturing. The third is the food habit or excessive consumption. And this shows that a person who is not having a control over the food habit will result into the aging. The basic cause of food habit normally arises from the social determinants like cultural or a family or the meal pattern that they follow. Obesity is the outcome of the deviations in the food habit that results in overage appearance. Next is sleep position, or followed by the lack of sleep. Wrong sleep positions obstructs the airways to your young lungs, and that lead to problems like obstruction of sleep. Researchers suggest that wrong sleep positions may cause toxins to filter out towards the brain, and thereby the brain works very slowly. Even sleep also affect due to low quality of mattresses that force you to unnatural positions to sleep. This may twist and strain your back, and the poor sleep may lead you to tiredness, and that results in aging. A low protein diet is another fact for appearing older. Too little protein may cause change in body consumptions, and that develop muscles wasting. Poor nutrition is another factors that affects like overweight or obesity, your tooth decay, high blood pressures, high cholesterol, heart disease, strokes, etc. So this is another significance related to the body structural variance. So automatically this will add to your age building. Next, about the stress and depressions. The studies have shown that the poor health diets may cause the symptom of depression and anxiety. So the chronic stressful life, if it arises, then it naturally increase the risk of developing a depressions, which one need to put under control. Alcohol and smoking. Alcohol and tobacco are at a high risk in the society, because of which the cancer type of a diseases is rising. And particularly with the help of smoking, the mouth and the throat is normally affected because of the cancer, and this will lead to the variance in the appearance of a person with respect to the age. Moreover, this is dangerous when one consumed in an uncontrolled manner. Facial impression is another factor. It is basically caused due to your mode of controlling the skin. That means how you take a control of your skin care, whether your skin is getting damaged or the skin is getting overexposed to different type of a natural therapy, etc. By applying the sunscreen and the skin therapy, one can protect the skin from getting older. Next is another important factor, that is exercise. A regular exercise will reduce the symptom of body variance like anxiety and depressions. So this will shape your body to look younger as the age keep on building up. Finally, the best method to control the age from getting older is through mind control. Whatever I have stated earlier, those are good for our appearance. Mind is considered as one of the biggest hidden content of the age. If you do not have a control of your mind, then it is not far that the person will automatically get older. The control of mind is to generate happiness. That is a true measurement of our appearance. How much happy you are, how much peaceful you are, how you keep your mind cool under every circumstance, that definitely adds the person to appear more younger as the age build up. So be young, be cheerful, irrespective of your age. Thank you.